All right, welcome back. And this is stage 5, the final rendering. So this is going to be the final part. Congratulations to you all. So I'm going to teach you how you render this into reality. So first of all, we won't be needing this again, so I will just eliminate it, single, and turn it to shaded. This is what we'll be needing. So now I just want to put a wall behind it. I will just duplicate. This is what they call the copy command. Alright, take it, then I will just rotate it up a bit. There is a command called rotate. Then I will just rotate it to the at 90 degrees. Select it, this move command, then place it in the direction you want it to be. Okay, this is what we want. So you go to the visualize. There's a command or library, as you call it. This is it, material browser. Click on it, then it will all come out. So I will just add in some materials to this and render it for you guys. So plates, most plates are ceramic, so I'll go to the material browser under AutoCAD library, then look for ceramic here. Select a ceramic that will suit this, any one of your choice, but let me just go with this. Let's go with this. So clearly something different. I'm gonna copy mine and select it. Okay, go to the cup. Want it to be glass cup, go to glass and choose any one you want. It's your choice. I will choose a well and okay, I'll just go with okay, this will do. Then select the handle, just play along with it. Is just play along with the materials, anyone you choose. So I will just go for the ground flooring, and now I just want a milk and light color. Okay, I'll choose this will do. Then the back should be in form of a wood, dark wood. I'll just use this. Then the bread, that is the round donut. I'll just choose a fabric and just this. Then I'll edit it. If you have like a round donut color or a shape of round donut in your system, you can just go ahead and select. Like me, I have like a bread that will suit my round donut. I'll just click OK. I'm cool with that. Then select the eyes, then move to paint, then select a pinkish color that looks like an eyes. This will do. You can also edit it, edit color, then choose your taste. Now I'll go with this. Okay, this will do, and it's time for rendering. Okay, I'm sure you guys have heard of this before. Let's render it. Medium is okay, then increase the quality to 5, adjust texture. You can just play along with it, adjust it. Okay, I'm cool with this. So you now render. Alright guys, thanks. As you can see the view of the round donuts. You can go ahead and save it to your any way you want it. So thanks for watching. I know it has been a tough time following me from stage 1 to stage 5, but finally we are done. You can actually do your own and post it on my Facebook page down the link, or you can join my WhatsApp group chat down the link. And I really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, because a lot of things are going to be coming up and popping, and I'm going to be designing a lot of things. Thank you guys for your support. See you in next video.